Quake, right here. Where's Fern Forest at? 4.6.
Wow. Oh, that's right up, yeah. Right up the road, yeah? Okay.
Yep, I knew it. You felt it, yes. The 4.6 Fern Forest 3 minutes ago. Sure did. Sure did. Sure did. Now what?
Where are these flip-flops were?
I just got rocked. Oh shit, we live on Tree Fern. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, here we go. What are you doing?
Whew, we're just trying to watch that bonfire right there when all of a sudden a big old quake happened. Dang. Big quake, big quake. Expect a few little dinkers after that one. What does that mean for this this caldera and this episode 37? I don't know. I mean, with the hydrogen flames there just going off, the north vent just shut off just a few moments ago. Does this mean something? Possibly. Could we keep going? Could this be another push of magma for that south vent? It's possible. Look at it. Why is it doing this? I have a lot of questions right now. Right, Falcon? Abby was all over it. Even Anna said she don't usually do this late. She was all over me. Abby now works for H-Very. Yeah. Paid in dog food. Yeah, there's a little aftershock right there, huh? We didn't feel that one.
Do you feel the aftershock right now?
It's been a while since we've gotten throttled like that here at the house.
No, not the big one, the little one that just happened right now.
No?
Right now, yeah.
Something moved. Somebody moved the furniture around. That's for sure. Whew. Well, all right. Tilt tried to upturn.
Dude, that shit was nuts.
Comes the Spectral again. Yeah, we're gonna see more.
You want to play
Is
Uno?
that aftershock, little pistoning starting? Ed said pistoning was gonna start right up. Spectral, the tremor just
Real
fell
quick.
right off.
Real quick.
Quake came in.
You have to make it in once a minute.
Oh, you're off?
Yeah, I get off at, well, I normally leave at 12, but I need to finish, leaving
It is kind of rad.
All right.
Thank you for understanding. I'm sorry. Everybody have a great
We're
night.
good.
Good. Thank you. If I don't see you again before you go, just know. I tried to bring you all.
I know.
But I hope you see you with this okay.
Oh, you did get bred up. You got bred up for a 4-pointer in Hawaii. What is going on? What is going on?
I don't know, but I called the police. I was like, do you have experience with earthquakes?
HPP
Yeah.
still standing? That's good. Oh, how was it down there? And Dane, he got a little bit in Leilani. He didn't get what we got here, but he might have had a little shaking at the house. Anybody up on Post and Pier definitely would have felt it more than us. We're on a concrete slab. It's just so weird to hear your house shaking, hear the walls shaking. Big bada boom. Nothing like that feeling. There is nothing like that feeling when that earthquake hits. Pictures fell off the wall. That's Lisa. She's right down the road from me. Whew. Awaken everybody. Everybody's waking up, checking in. What's out of the middle there? Look at that. What is that?
I definitely felt that. That was crazy. It says it was 12 minutes ago. It was not 12 minutes ago. It was like 15 minutes ago. It didn't register on the thing for like 3 or 4 minutes. It was definitely delayed. Definitely. Let's see what Kilauea is doing. We got the, oh no, the Indian Ocean. What is that? New lava delta is forming as lava expands shoreline. Ethiopia erupted. Kilauea right here. Kilauea ash gases to 14,000 feet. Tuesday, November 25th, 2025, 1745. 14,000 feet Kilauea is up right now. You hear me?
Yes.
The gases are 14,000 feet high. Did you feel that earthquake?
No, but the TV gotta go off.
My mom tried to watch it, but I was driving it. My car's moving. I can't feel nothing else.
I told you, Remote. All TV at 10.
I understand that, but we just went through an earthquake. The whole house moved.
So, you've been told.
I've been told, yeah, multiple times. I know. But there are certain nurse assistants that let them watch the movies till 11 or 12 o'clock at night. And you're married to them, so.
Oh, no, I don't think so.
Wow, it's not even playing. The internet's down. It won't even play the video.
Sorry, I have to just finish the.
No, you're good.
But who else is still in here? Who's up at midnight, 1 a.m.? Who else is up at 1 a.m.
Is this fish?
I have no idea what this is, bro. I can
on a weekday in here? Where are you at? Let me see where you're at. Pistoning starting by the looks of it. Yeah, that's exactly what Ed said. Ed was in here. He's all, watch. Pistoning's going to start up as soon as this ends. There it is. You were driving home when that big one hit. 2018 just turned into IHOP. Looked like the trees, power poles, having a dance battle. Yeah.
Well, go back to my room and write these grievances. Right. We are done.